Hello everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So, I just thought I'd come and share some happy mail. I'll just warn you in advance, there may be some coughing and spluttering and snivelling. I can't help it, I'm so sorry, I'm quite poorly at the moment. That's why there's going to be no videos probably for the rest of the week, and I missed my Tip Tuesday. I'm just quite not feeling very good, so I feel like pants. But I've had 2 pieces of happy mail sent this week from some friends, so I just wanted to quickly come on and say thank you and also explain why I'm not really about very much this week. I'm just not very well. So first of all, I've had this lovely happy mail from my friend Ian, who is Stamping with Ian. He is lovely. He helps admin my group. I know he helps admin other groups as well. He's a lovely friend to lots of people. I'm very lucky to have met him. He's also a Stampin' Up demonstrator, so if you're in the UK and you need to buy some supplies, I'll see if I can find his link and link it below. Bare minimum, I'll link his YouTube and all of his links will be on there. So he sent me some of this, which is an old, retired paper. I can't remember what it was called, to be honest. I can't remember, but I'd mentioned that it was one of my favourites, so bless his heart, he sent me some that he's obviously got left. God love him. So there we go. And then he sent me 2 little packages. He knows my birthday's coming up. And he sent me this lovely card, "You are so special." So there you go, isn't that lovely? Beautiful. I have actually got this stamp set and it's gorgeous. So let's see. Excuse me. Sorry. Let's see what else he sent me. And he knows I'll reuse this ribbon. It's beautiful. Look how pretty that is. That's a Stampin' Up one. It's lovely. I'm guessing that this is chocolate. Oh, he sent me chocolate before. He is lovely. It is. Oh, thank you. That's kind, isn't it? Green and black. So it's the good stuff as well. It's not not dairy milk. Although there's no wrong with dairy milk. I've got some in my fridge. And then let's see what this is. Some more lovely ribbons. So I've got quite a bit there. That'll go. I'll save that for the next time I do a shabby chic journal because it's beautiful and it's nice and soft as well as that one. I'll save that. See what this is. Ah, some of his stuff that he's made, bless him. Ah, look at that. Oh, he's clever. Look at that. That's nice. That's a nice brad. I like that brad. So he made some of my fancy frames. I did a video on it with using toilet rolls, and so this image here is on my Ko-fi site with a load of others. And this is also part of, don't know if that's one of my kits. Don't think that's part of my kit. Because I've not done one with those colours, but I've got that same image in my files. And he's put a lovely little ribbon bow there and some of that lovely Stampin' Up lace. I've used all mine now, it's gorgeous. That's really nice, Ian, well done. And then this here says, "Hello, anything is possible." I like these little matte gems there, they're pretty. He's done some stamping there, that's really pretty. This is a nice colour. And he's made a little notebook there. And has he sewn it in? Oh, well done, Ian. He's done the 3-hole pamphlet stitch there and made, that's very tidy work, is that? That's lovely. Made me a little notebook. That's very thoughtful of you, thank you. I do appreciate it. And then I've had a little gift. This is from my lovely friend Kay. I think that's part of one of my digitals. It is. It's the I think they're like cherry blossoms. And I love how she's made this little tail here with a little button with a little tiny piece of lace there. It just matches perfectly, and it says, "Just for you, kiss kiss." So that's a lovely topper. Really like that. I have had a sneak look at this, so I do know what it is, and I'm going to leave you a link to Kay's channel, although she is one of my suggested videos if you go to my homepage as well. And as well as being a beautiful paper crafter, she makes the most beautiful beaded things, bracelets and all sorts of stuff. I've had all sorts from her. You know, beaded baubles, beaded necklaces, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Look at that, really lovely. And then this one, this is just ever so slightly my favourite. That's because of my Leo and I like sparklies. And this is really beautiful, lots of lovely sparkles on there. So yeah, that is gorgeous, really pretty. So that will go, hopefully it'll fit on my fat wrist. Yep, see that, even just as sparkly as my Swarovski wrap there. There's not much difference in the sparkle, so I shall be wearing that today. It's very little T-bar closure. That is super lovely, so thank you for that. Look how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. Really pretty. Thank you so much. Both of you are absolutely lovely. I'll just take it off because I'm about to go and see to my dogs. I don't want to catch it. Take it off and put it down there carefully. So those are both beautiful. I'll probably wear them both at the same time. So although I can't make any videos at the moment because I can't, my head's just like banging. Like I've got the worst headache ever. And I think it's all my sinuses are blocked and it's making me feel unwell. So there's no videos this week. I'm ever so sorry, but as soon as I feel the slightest bit better, I will be back to it. So please do bear with me. It's not, I've got loads of other videos. I'll leave a suggested playlist at the end of here. I've got, I don't know even know how many videos I've got on YouTube, but it's going on towards 2,000 videos of a varying degree. So just go and watch a couple of my old ones if you're missing the tutorials. And as soon as I'm right, I will be back. So I do apologise if it's a bit quiet. I've been quiet on my group. I've not really been on Facebook very much because I'm just trying to rest and trying to get right. But I just had to come and say thank you for these lovely gifts. So thank you guys. I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.